welcome back to my channel. I am Blessing and I'm with my friend Suany, which is an amazing beauty blogger and YouTuber right here. So make sure you follow her.
Follow me.
So today we are going to a friend's get together and she wanted me to make Jello shots for her. So we are going to attempt to do this. We got some alcohol. This one, Havana Club from Cuba. You know that's
Straight from Cuba.
It's exclusive. We also have vodka, but we're gonna use both. And let's do it. Okay.
So I'm just here to assist her. You know, I'm gonna be like her asistente.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna help her.
Asistente.
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have. So like she said, we have this Havana, what is it? I'm not Cuban, so
Havana Club.
Havana Club. She brought it straight from Cuba. So you can't get this unless you go to Cuba, or unless you get the hookup. She does, you know. And then this one is vodka, you know, straight up vodka premium. I don't know. I don't drink that much, so I don't really know. And then here we have the Jello. I was gonna say the gelatin.
We both have an accent, but like,
yeah, we do.
When I went to get this today, the girl was like, Jello, like the color. And I'm like, no, like gelatin, like, cause I have an accent.
Okay. We both have an accent, and I have an accent because of her, because she was the one that taught me English.
Yeah, in 5th grade.
So yeah, that's why we have accents. So here's the blue one. This one is blue raspberry because we're gonna make 2 flavors.
Yeah.
And we have the strawberry. We have the little mini cups, and we got this is a pot, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you know in English it's like different.
Yeah.
Una olla.
Una olla.
I have like the pot over here and the
Measuring cup.
measuring.
And we need one more thing.
Oh yeah. We need a bowl.
For a mixture.
Okay, so this is all that we need. So she's gonna teach me how to do it. So let's get started.
Okay, so step 1 according to Google.
According to Google, because you know Google is always right.
We need 3 cups of water. I'm just gonna use the fridge water. Am I still?
Yeah, you're still in there. There we just in the fridge.
3 cups of water, and that is the first step. You pour it in the bowl. And now you need 1 cup of your favorite alcohol. So we're gonna start with the vodka. And we're gonna do 1 cup. You think that's strong? Like that lady in the video.
Oh my god, she's like one shot. One shot, it was like a whole bottle.
I'm gonna get these people lit, so I'm gonna do one cup and 1/3.
Wow.
Let's see. Alright. Ew.
Yeah, I'm gonna smell it. Whoa. That smells really strong. It smells like straight up alcohol.
I don't smell anything.
You don't smell it? The thing is that I don't drink, so.
Yeah. Okay, so now you have to put this in the fridge for a couple minutes while you are heating up the other water. Let's do it. A clip of you there with like a bunch of question marks. What is she doing?
Just drinking water to stay hydrated.
Okay, this one I'm gonna make it super fast.
Don't be spilling it. You make it fast, but don't spill it.
You wanna do the honors?
Sure. With the Cuban Club. No, with the Cuban Club.
Cuban Club.
Not the Cuban Club, that's in Calle Ocho.
Yeah.
The little viejitos, the Cuban Club.
Yeah.
This is actually the Havana Club. So. How much did you say?
1 cup. Do it, girl, do it.
Pour it.
That one's gonna smell strong.
Oh, wow.
I'll make different color ones so like I know which one's which.
10 hours later.
I know, I think it's still lit.
You sure this one? Okay. Well,
1 cup.
so let's pour it in here.
Pour it. Ooh, I smell that one. 1 cup of water, and then you're gonna mix it with the mixture that we put in the fridge. So we're gonna boil 1 cup of water. Since we're gonna boil it, we can use tap water. You know, we don't have to be fancy for this one. I think my roommate's coming up.
What the hell are you doing?
In your room. Okay, 1 cup of water. I should have to do 2 because of the...
Yeah, you should do too.
I have to do 2 because we're doing 2 types of shots. So. And now we're going to boil it. And my roommate just walked in.
Hi.
You want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah, sure.
This is my roommate, guys.
Hi.
Now we have 2 assistants. Okay, so we're back. So we boiled our water and we put it in the pot. Now we're gonna make the Jello and then we're gonna add the alcohol. Pretty simple. Takes 5 minutes.
This one is boiled?
Yeah, that's the boiled one.
Oh, okay.
So now we just mix it. Do you want to do the honors? Yeah. And make it Jello-ish.
Jello-ish.
Once it becomes very Jello-ish, then we add the alcohol.
Oh yeah, it is becoming
Jello-ish, thickish.
it's thick.
Let's see what else. We are learning together, honestly. Because I haven't done this in a while.
It smells really good.
It does smell really good. 3 hours later.
Sorry.
I think it's ready.
I think it's ready.
Okay. The fun part. Ready? You gotta keep stirring. Ew. That's a lot.
You think it's gonna be enough with like those little cups?
It's 50 cups.
Oh,
So like 25 each.
it's gonna be a lot.
So then after you stir it for a while and it's ready, you start to make your little cups.
Oh wow, that was easy.
So simple. Anyone can do this. Like I told. So easy. What's the quote?
I don't know what you're saying. I'm just staring.
Geico is 15 minutes could save you 50% more.
Okay, not Geico.
Roommate over here coming down.
Like, I know what you're trying to say that. You're trying to say, like, so easy a cake.
I can't even can do it.
Oh!
Well, she's not like Geico.
So easy a cake can do it.
I had no clue what she was saying. I was just staring.
I was like, what?
Alright, it's gonna take a while for us to feel this up.
Yeah, this smells really strong.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay guys, and this is our finished product. I think we did great. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and to Suany's channel, and make sure to follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna be putting all the info down below, so check that out. I see you. Check it out.
Yeah, follow me in all of my social medias. I post makeup videos all the time, and literally any video, like I just put whatever I want on my channel. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, we recorded another video for my channel.
Yeah.
So yeah, go ahead and watch that. I don't know which one we're gonna post first, but if we post the other one or whichever, we're gonna put the link down below, so you guys can watch that. And Yeah, thank you for having me in your video.
Oh, thank you for coming. Oh, anytime.